everyone, my name is Jainam Chauhan.
My name is Abhirat Supalkar.
My name is Kripal Kunal Sona. We are from Baroda High School, Dandeswar, English medium afternoon shift. Our team name is Lab Legends.
Today I am speak about the automatic fire system using a flame sensor and motor pump.
This system detects fire automatically. The flame sensor senses any spark or flame. When he detects flame, the motor pump turns on and spray water to control the fire immediately. This project can help prevent. This project can prevent many major accidents that done by the fire.
It is simple cost loss, useful house, schools and home.
These are the head found by me, and I have done the coding, and my two friends has done the wiring and crafting. Now I will show how it works. When the when the flame sensor detects the flame, the motor starts the relay activates and motor starts on. Thank you.